Dear friends, I will show you how you can make your desktop much nicer with the help of some practical tricks. The corresponding links to the mentioned skins and programs can be found in the description. So let's get started. The current design of Windows looks, let's say, functional, but not really beautiful, to put it politically correct. Over the years, I have tried many different options to optimize the user experience on Windows, and I also wrote a small program that I will show you during the video. Because you can work much more structured with your Windows when it looks clean and tidy. The first step starts with logging into your account and backupping all your desktop icons somewhere. Because ideally, there should be no classic desktop icons left. But don't worry, they will not completely disappear. I have already taken care of that in this tutorial. So, let's begin. You go to the Windows settings, then to personalization, themes, and then to desktop icon settings, and remove all checkmarks there. In personalization, you will also find the tab colors and activate dark mode and transparency effects. We will take care of the wallpaper later. The next step is the taskbar. Now download the program Translucent TB from the Microsoft Store. You install and confirm it, and in the task info the program will now be displayed. There, I would recommend that you activate Maximized Window and select the mode Normal. This ensures that when a window is opened in full screen, it does not float over your screen. Whether you want your taskbar centered or aligned left is not important for our setup. Now go to the website DeviantArt and download a proper mouse cursor. Many are paid, but I use the free mouse cursor Cursor Concept 2 free. As you can see, our desktop is slowly taking a nice shape. Now you should download the tool Rainmeter. On the internet there are all kinds of skins for it. I strongly recommend my skin. After installing Rainmeter, close all skins and download my skin ALTAY HEXAGON UI and install it. After installation, you will be asked to choose your monitor resolution. Now, practically, your desktop icons are back in a much prettier way. It may happen that after a graphics driver update, you will have to adjust your resolution again, but the other settings will remain. First, you set your desired colors, simply click on settings and adjust everything. Now it is important to open the help skin in Rainmeter. There you must set in the text file which text each symbol should display and which file path the said icon should have, so you do not have to use my presets. If, for example, you use a different antivirus than Avira Security, no problem. Then you edit the text file with the correct file path. Besides the hexagon interface, the skin also offers to display your current IP address with the current download and upload rates. If that is unnecessary for you, you can deactivate the skin, simply right-click and close skin. In addition, the skin also offers an audio visualizer, which opens automatically as soon as the song is played in Winamp, as well as the currently running processes, for example Firefox.exe. I would strongly recommend using Winamp as a music player. There is also the option to set up the Winamp player smart and beautiful with the help of a skin. To do this, download your Winamp skin and add it into the directory. Program Files, Winamp, and then Skins. the optimization is not yet completely finished, you can use programs like Wallpaper Engine or Lively Wallpaper in the Microsoft Store to set an animated wallpaper. There are certainly some more options, but now we have hopefully made a big step forward. If you still have questions about how to customize the Rainmeter skin personally, then feel free to write them in the comments, because explaining every single function of the skin would go far beyond the topic. I hope you liked this little insight and you could take something from it. Best regards, Turkish democracy.